everyone, what's up? And you are watching Caterpillar Network, and right now I'm gonna give you tips and ideas on how to make a chocolate shake. So we'll be needing a piece of computer paper, glue, cotton ball. We'll be needing a acrylic paint and scissor, paintbrush, and pencil. Okay, so grab your materials and let's start. Okay, and we are done. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Happy holidays, and we will see you next time to our next video. Bye.